Hey, how's it going, folks? We're going to attempt to get this dent out here. I've never done this before. I don't really know how it works. So I'm just going to wing it and see what we can figure out. This one looks like about the right one to use. I'm just going to start like in here, pull it out, pull it out, pull it out, and then just keep pulling everywhere until I get it all out. I guess it's the only way to really do it. So let's see if we can get some hot glue coming out of this booger. Just get it on there quick so it doesn't dry up before I attach it. Alright, that looks good to me. We'll put it, say, right here. Hold that for about 10 seconds. Put this on it. Alright. Yeah, that popped it out some. Sure did. Alright, moving on over then. Move over to the next one. Hold it nice and snug for good 5-10 seconds. Just holding it on there so it cools down. Give it another second while I get a drink of coffee. Hey, it's working. Slowly but surely it's working. I wonder if I should put a bigger one on it. I got all kinds of them. Yeah, I'm gonna try that. Just a little bit, I'm not gonna go crazy with it. Just using some cleaner and degreaser. Alright, we're going to try this one more time. If I can't get it on this one, I'm going to move this one up here. And if I can't do anything with it either, then I'm just going to wait until I get those other tools in. And then just hit it up from the inside, you know. So, I don't want to waste a bunch of time on this if it's not going to work. This should be my last one. If this pops off again now, I'm just going to go ahead and move to this dent up here. See if I can't get it to come out. Yeah. Alright. Let's go up here then. thing. Kind of useless. Well, folks, any suggestions? What am I doing wrong? Alright, well, we've made very little progress with the dents. Very little. Maybe when I get those other tools, the ones that go down inside the tank and push, maybe those will be better and allow me to, you know, the dents don't have to be perfectly perfect, but I want to get as close as I can. And then I can, you know, use body filler or something. Man, this one is on there. It is not coming off. Screw it, give me the metal one. It's getting repainted anyway. Don't care. You can see the Bondo underneath the paint there. Somebody's already Bondoed it once. Ah, there. See it? Well, that's primer, but still. Okay. Alright, I guess we'll just wait until the other tools get here. Doesn't look like this is going to work for me. I'm not very... Either I'm just don't know what I'm doing, or I'm doing something wrong, or something. But it definitely is not working. Okay, here we go. We're going to go ahead and start getting these turn signals off. First thing I did was mark which wires came out of what, and then just unplugged it. Then I started loosening this bolt back here. It's a 17 millimeter, and now it is off, more or less. Yeah, there it goes. Then I can just start pulling this through. Basically pull it down here, pull the nut off, and pull the light out. And there we go. Now I'll keep this just in case whoever buys it wants to put it back to original. They can do what they wish, you know. So I'll keep this and put it in a box and label the box CB1000 C parts, you know. So there's that one. Alright, now this one here, this one's all taped up. So, I don't know if you can see it there, but that's got electrical tape all over it. So, but it's really loose. Look, I mean, it's just broken. So, I'm trying to get it off there as easy as I can without messing anything up. But, I'm not making any guarantees, that's for sure. So, let's see what we can do. I guess we'll try and figure out where the tape stops and starts. There we go. So the way these are set up is that they've each got 3 wires coming out of them. And the ones with the red wire in them are for the rear. You could hook the red right into the brake lights, so when your brake light comes on, all these 2 will light up also with it. And then the other 2, the white is a driving light for the front. And then you got ground and turn signal. So these are good lights. I like them a lot. I've used them on 2 different bikes now, and they work great. And I'm probably going to use them on the other one. If I can remember, I'll put a link down in the description as to what these, where I got these off. I got them off Amazon. So I got these, and I also got some signal relays. So I got this electronic relay that I'll be using with it. This also came off Amazon, and for some reason I was getting the orange ones. They look exactly the same, got the same numbers and everything on them. And I was using the orange ones, and I blew like 3 of them. So I decided to try these black ones. I mean, they're identical. They look identical, even. It's just one's black and one's orange. But these black ones I've used several times now and not had any problems with them whatsoever. So that's what we're going to start using from now on. Now I just need to find out where the relay is. Let's put it on real quick. I'm thinking about it. And it's easy to tell because I have the key on. Mechanically, you can hear it clicking. Yeah, it's right there. Okay. And there's the relay. Uh-oh, it's a 3-wire. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What do we do about that? It's a 3-wire. I didn't notice that. Alright, so this relay is not going to work. Let's see what it does when we put the lights on. It's probably going to blink super hyper fast. That's my assumption, but that just means we'll have to get a different type of relay for it. That's all. So, let's do it. Alright, so we're going to feed these through here. I'm just putting them right back in the stock position. There's no reason to move them right now. If we decide we don't like it, we can always move it later. For now, they're just going right back in the stock position. So I don't have to worry about making a new hole or anything like that. I'm getting this cover, wire cover, slid down up and inside it, so it creates less issue later. Got there, and look at that, those match up perfectly. Okay, so the positive should be this one. The negative should be... Yeah, see how it's flashing? Hyper fast. That's because of that relay. So what I can do, I can try this 2.0. It did not like that. Did not like that at all. I think it burned it out. Okay, well, we can't get those hooked up yet, but we can at least get them mounted on there. We just won't get them hooked up. It'll take a minute, so let's just go ahead and do it. And we can kind of get a look and see, you know, kind of what it's going to look like when it's all done. What it looks like from back here. You can just see them. They're nice and small. They don't stick out too much. They look like they're turned down, so I may have to do something about that. This one looks like it's turned down a little bit, so I might need to play with it and see if I can get it to stick up, you know, stick straight out at a 90 degree. But yeah, that's it. We got those going, and now we're going to move to the front. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get the front ones off now. These look like they should be pretty easy too. Looks like they all go inside the headlight bucket here. So let's go ahead and get that off. No? Yeah, I'm going to get a whole new bucket. A whole new headlight bucket and headlight for this. Probably get an LED headlight while I'm at it. Alright, let's pull this one out. Get it in there. There we go. Yeah, look at how rusted it is. And it looks like somebody cut the back of it out for some odd reason. So I think we're going to get a whole new headlight for it. 7-inch headlight. They're pretty common. The Triumph's got one. That Honda over there has one. So shouldn't be an issue. Alright, moving on. And someone had spliced this one at some point. Not sure why, but they did. Here's the front ones. As you can see, they're exactly the same, except the red wire is white on these, which means it's the driving light. So, alright, there we go. Turn signals are on. Yeah, so I'm going to have to find a good ground for it. Probably use this one here, since it's already spliced in several places. I wonder why that is. But yeah, we'll probably just ground right to that. And then run the driving lights to, I guess the headlight. Probably the headlight. So, there it is for now. At least you can kind of see what it looks like with the new turn signals on. I'm going to pop it off the tripod here. There it is. Not too bad. You can see how small they are. So, alright, we're going to go ahead and cut it there. My battery's almost dead. So, front and rear turn signals are all done now. And we'll put an LED tail light in there too. So, that's quick and easy. Just changing a bulb. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and let you go there. Catch you on the next one. Hey, make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. Please, please, please. Thank you.